waiting for the food. I may get all of this wrong because this is really fancy. This is a local Morado, is what I was told. So, interesting. Just, take it for a spin here. So this is quite good. It's a bit sour, but not really. Just a tad, a little tart, but very, very, very little bit of that. Obviously very creamy. And this over here is pretty good. I'm getting to the rest of it now. Again, like the sour, the sweetness is very subtle as well, so really nice. And I'm sorry about the greens. I'm a snob when it comes to greens, or I'm very picky. I like to stick to romaine, so I didn't enjoy it, but it's nothing against this restaurant. It's just a flavor I don't enjoy. So if you enjoy this, then go for it. And here is the main entree, which is the grilled chicken sandwich. Actually, surprisingly, I didn't modify this at all. So, looks pretty good. Alright, so I did modify it a little bit. I took the lettuce, tomato, onions, and pickles out. And the pesto was put on the side just because I wasn't quite sure about it. The sandwich is very good. The avocado makes it really nice. In my case, the fries were a bit salty, but I'm a little sensitive to salt. Not medically, I just don't really enjoy a lot of it. But this is a variable, so it might just be this particular set of fries. It's not bad. I'm sure if I asked for a new fresh batch without salt, they would happily bring me some. So not really a knock, just aware that in this case at least, they were quite salty to me. But still very good. And now, of course, a look at the dessert menu. I will be honest, I'm full. So, not going to be trying the desserts this time, but they look fabulous. On the outside, you can order some of these delicious treats if you don't want to go in and sit down and have a full meal. That is my review of the Wolfgang Puck Bar and Grill. As you can see, now open here at Disney Springs. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. You can see they have a nice outdoor seating area too. If you're surprised I didn't sit out here instead of inside, I guess I am too. But here it is. It was a tiny bit chilly this morning, so that's probably part of why